Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. This gets you straight to visual options. You want to act now, tap Display and Text Size, then look for Color Filters. Once there, you'll see a Toggle and Sample View. This is where iOS changes color rendering. Make sure your phone is awake and unlocked so changes apply instantly, and remember the current state in case you want to revert. Now you disable color filters directly by switching the toggle to off. This removes grayscale or tinting instantly. If you prefer a targeted change, tap Color Filters, inspect each preset, grayscale, red/green, blue/yellow, and choose none. Once done, look at the sample bar and an app photo to verify natural colors. If colors still look off, make sure Reduce White Point and Night Shift are not active, because those can also alter appearance. Finish by checking related settings. Make sure Night Shift and True Tone aren't shifting color temperature, and confirm Reduce White Point is off. If the filter persists, restart your iPhone. Power cycling often clears UI glitches so changes take effect. If you want fast control later, set Accessibility Shortcut to Color Filters for triple-click access. Troubleshooting tip: if restarting fails, update iOS. Bugs affecting accessibility are commonly fixed in minor releases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.